AI-generated art has been getting a lot of attention lately, and with it, a lot of concerns. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion can create beautiful images in no time at all, and some artists are wondering if they'll be left behind as technology continues to grow. But can AI ever truly capture the feeling, emotion, and personal touch that human artists bring to their work? In this video, we're going to dive into why AI, no matter how advanced it gets, can never fully replace the artistry and creativity that only humans can offer. We'll also look at how artists can stay relevant and find success in this changing world. One of the biggest fears around AI art is the idea that AI will replace human artists, but this fear is mostly based on myths. The first myth is that AI can create art just as well, or even better, than humans. Sure, AI can generate some cool visuals, but it doesn't do so with intention or meaning. It simply follows patterns. Art isn't just about how something looks, it's about what it says and the emotion it evokes. Another myth is that AI will make artists irrelevant. Remember, when cameras were invented, many thought painting would die out. But instead, art evolved and new styles and forms of expression emerged. AI art will likely do the same. It's just another tool that artists can use to enhance their work, not something that will take their place. Some also worry that people will stop appreciating human-made art, but this isn't true either. Many people still value the personal story behind an artwork. They appreciate the effort, struggles, and inspiration that went into it, things AI just can't replicate. One thing that sets human-made art apart from AI-generated art is the imperfections. As humans, we're all about making mistakes, experimenting, and sometimes doing things imperfectly. And this is exactly what makes our art special. Those little flaws in your brushstrokes or the way your lines aren't perfectly straight, that's part of what makes your art feel real and authentic. AI might produce flawless images, but they often lack the raw emotion and personality that imperfections bring to the table. People connect with the imperfections in art. It's a reflection of the artist's journey, their emotions, and their creative process. Think of how much more personal a handmade painting or sketch feels when you see the little mistakes and the effort that went into it. These imperfections make your work unique, and that's something AI simply can't offer. The difference between AI-generated art and human art goes far beyond just how it looks. While AI can create some beautiful pieces, it lacks the ability to feel and express emotions. It doesn't know what it's like to be sad, happy, or excited, and it certainly can't translate those feelings into art. Human creativity is all about connection. When you create, you're telling a story, sharing your thoughts, and expressing your feelings in a way that's relatable to others. That's something AI can't do, no matter how much data it has. AI may generate beautiful images, but they won't carry the same depth or meaning as something created by a person with emotions and experiences. Additionally, human creativity thrives on spontaneity. Many great works of art happen by chance or when an artist breaks the rules and goes off script. AI doesn't have the freedom to be creative in this way. It can only work within the constraints of its programming, while human artists can go beyond the predictable to create something truly original. In a world where AI can mimic almost any style, one of the most important things you can do as an artist is to embrace your individuality. Your unique voice and personal perspective are what sets you apart. Rather than trying to mimic trends or create what's popular, focus on what makes you, well, you. This could be the way you combine colors, the subjects you choose, or even the materials you work with. Your style is your signature, and it's something that's completely yours. Your audience connects not just with your art, but with your journey as an artist. They want to know your story, your struggles, and what inspires you. This personal connection is something AI can't replicate. By embracing your individuality, you create a space for your work in a world that's increasingly saturated with art that looks the same. People don't want just any art. They want your art. In today's world where AI is changing the landscape, there are a few strategies you can use to stand out as an artist. First, continue learning. Whether you're into digital art, traditional painting, sculpture, or any other form of creativity, there's always something new to explore. The more skills you have, the more versatile and adaptable you'll be. Next, see AI as a tool, not a threat. You don't have to compete with AI, use it to your advantage. AI can take care of repetitive tasks like creating patterns, backgrounds, or even color schemes. so you can focus on the more creative and personal aspects of your work. Think of it like having an assistant who helps you with the technical stuff while you do the fun part. Building a loyal following is also crucial. Engage with your audience, share your process, your story, and what inspires you. Social media, newsletters, or even in-person events can help you connect with your fans. When people feel like they know you and understand your work, they're more likely to support you in a world full of content. Having the right tools is key to your success as an artist. Invest in the software, equipment, and materials that help you create your best work. Whether it's digital programs like Procreate or Photoshop or traditional art supplies, using the right tools makes a difference. But tools alone won't get you far. Your mindset is just as important. Stay curious and keep pushing your boundaries. Don't be afraid to try new things or make mistakes. Learning and growing as an artist is a lifelong process. View challenges as opportunities to improve and refine your craft. Networking with other artists can also help you grow. Join online communities, attend workshops, or collaborate on projects. These connections can provide valuable insights, inspiration, and support as you continue to develop your style. It's natural to feel some fear about the rise of AI, but it's important not to let that fear hold you back. Focus on what makes you unique. Your personal perspective and emotions are something that AI will never be able to replicate. Instead of seeing AI as a competitor, try to see it as an opportunity. AI can handle certain tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. You don't have to fear AI, you just have to adapt and use it to your advantage. Remember, your value as an artist isn't just about the art you create, it's about the impact you have on others. Your work has the power to inspire, challenge, and connect people. That's something AI can never replace. In the future, it's likely that AI and human artists will coexist. AI can help with technical tasks, but it still requires a human to infuse it with meaning and emotion. Think of it as a tool that can assist you, just like any other art supply. AI might change the way we create, but it won't take away from the importance of human creativity. In fact, as AI art becomes more common, there may be an increased appreciation for handmade human-created works. People may seek out art that feels more authentic and personal, something that AI can never replicate. The future of art is in the hands of artists like you. As long as you stay true to your unique vision and continue to create from the heart, you'll remain relevant in this ever-changing world. The rise of AI in art is a reminder that the most important tool in art isn't technology, it's humanity. Your emotions, your story, and your individuality are what make your art valuable. AI can generate images, but it will never capture the depth, soul, and meaning that you as a human artist can. Instead of fearing AI, embrace it as a tool that can help you grow. Continue to explore, learn, and push your creative boundaries. The world needs your art, not because it's perfect, but because it's uniquely yours. So keep creating, keep dreaming, and remember, no machine can ever replace the magic of human creativity. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, press the subscribe button, and also drop your thoughts in the comments section.